Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amal and in this video, as all you can see, I made a neon polar bear. It's super duper cute. I just made it an hour ago, and you guys know I've been talking about it since the past two videos, and it's so cute and I'm super happy that I made it. And I played with it so much it actually growed up a lot. Okay. So in this video we're going to see what people offer from my neon polar bear. By the way, it's only rideable, not flyable. And I'm not gonna be trading it, of course, unless a crazy good offer, like amazing. I'm sure that's not gonna happen, but we can still learn some values. And what if you never know? I get a good, amazing offer. And we're also gonna be dressing Snowy up. I named it Snowy because it's after my first polar bear. Of course, this is my first polar bear, but it is the neon version, if that makes sense. Okay, I don't have a lot of pet wear, but we can still try. This one, ooh, that's so cute. I think we can do this one because it makes a lot more, sense to the Snowy theme. Okay. Oh, Snowy is hungry. Let's feed it. Guys, don't change my house. I haven't decorated. I'm still decorating. Eh, I didn't even do anything. I just changed the wallpapers. That's all. And only on this floor. I'm very lazy. Okay, let's teleport to gifts. My armor trade's on. I usually off them. I don't know why, but sometimes I get annoyed. Oh, they're off. When people spam me with trades. I just said that. Um, okay. I'm gonna write it. Okay, somebody just sent me a trade request. Our first trade. Oh, she's so cute. Let me search polar. Oopsie. What will happen? Oh my god. 4 ladybugs and one is teen, one is newborn, one is pretty. No, she took out. Okay, nah, no thank you. Polar bears are worth a lot more. Okay, we got our second trade. People really like. Oh my god. Okay, frost fairy. I don't know about that. I don't know. No, thank you. Oh, so yeah, sure. I'm gonna send her a trade request. What's your offer? Show me. Ooh, neon emu, ginger cat. I'm making a neon ginger cat. You guys can trade if you want, but I don't really want to. I love my polar bear too much. Sorry, I'm gonna write sorry. Good offer though. Oh, she's still adding. Okay, yay. We got our third trade request. Third or fourth. I can't keep count. Oh. What just happened? I'm sorry, that's not a good trade. You got another trade request? Okay. Ooh, a turtle. I'm sorry, but it's even no potion and not really worth it. Um, she's asking me. Let me ask her. She's saying that, would you take a turtle for it? Um, that's under. I'm gonna say that's under. Oh, see. That's under. This girl really wants it. I'm really sorry because I declined her trade. I'm gonna say sure. She wants to offer again. Oh, this is my friend. I should introduce her to you guys. Ooh, let's see. She's adding gifts. I'm sorry, but I don't want that. I'll teleport to my friend's friend. I'm gonna say hi. I'm like, oh, where is she? Okay, did she grow it? Mm. Okay, she's going inside. I'm gonna ask her to come with me. Yay. I'm gonna say I'm recording. I shout out to my friend. She helped me a lot to grow these polar bears because it takes a lot of time. Her username is Nathan. I'm gonna say she helped. Oopsie. She helped me a lot in these, so shout out to her for helping me. This is her user. Oh, she's saying thank you so much. No problem. I'm gonna ask her to. Are you making neon? She's making neon too. Are you making neon? Yeah, let's watch. Her making a neon. I couldn't record me making a neon because I know the recording has its own mood and it just doesn't record when it wants to. Oh, I'm gonna say wow. She literally, I just met in one was at newborn. So quick. Wow. She's so quick. One. Okay, I'm gonna say one was new. Wait, what? I think she traded for it. One was newborn. Wow. Wait, what just happened? Why is she sad? Let me just pick up my polar bear. Guys, I love the cute animations on them. Super cute and super nice. I just love them so much. The emotions are awesome. What is happening? I think she's AFK. Yeah, definitely. I'm pretty sure. Oh, my polar bear. Go to school. Oh. No, she has a Dalmatian. Wow, you have a Dalmatian. Oh, you have a Dalmatian. Cool. Can I offer for that? I'm gonna ask her, can I offer? Can I offer? I really like them. I think they're super cute and she named her Dalmatian Oreo. I really like that. Shout out to her guys again. What can I offer? I literally have no clue what are they worth. I suck at this stuff. Oh, it's flat too. Never mind. How many oxes do I have? I'm making a mega. Oh, I have two of these. Some beavers, and I just randomly have them. Like one. Oh, a Shiba Inu. We could add that. Add two. I'm a neon monkey. I'm gonna say please. I think somebody just got scammed in the chat. I'm confused. Please, can you do it? I'm gonna say please, can you do it? Is she AFK? She'll be AFK. Okay, I'm gonna say okay. I'm sure likes to cleave. Okay, let's just teleport to gifts and see other offers. She really likes her Dalmatian dog. Okay, yeah, let's start. I'm gonna say trading neon polar bear. Cause why not? Why not? To make it official that I'm trading one. Yay. Yeah, it's so cute. Oh no, he's sleepy. Okay. I'm gonna trade off again. And, oh, thank you. I'm gonna say thank you. Does that person want to offer? I'm okay. Oh, somebody just sent me a trade request. Ooh, a flyer ladybug. There's polar. Oopsie. So, I'm sorry, but that's really under. Can I offer one more time? Who's? Oh, is that a girl again? Oh, she really likes it. I'm sure. I'm gonna say she really wants it. I think so. Yeah, you could offer again. I don't mind. Unless you're not annoying me and spamming me with trades, I don't mind. Oh, ground slots. I'm gonna say I don't like. Oopsie. I don't like ground slot. I'm gonna say I don't like ground slot. Oh, my polar bear is dizzy. Let me pick her up. Let's go to school. Cause usually when it's a server by task, most of the people's on the server are in the school always. Yeah, like. Um. Okay, what should I name my turtle? Somebody asked. I'm gonna say avocado. I mean, that's a cool name for a turtle. I think so. Avocado. Okay, never mind. I'm really like to. Okay, yay. I think it's this. I'm gonna say okay. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna say trading neon polar bear. Guys, comment down below if you like emus. I mean, they're okay. And like, and tell me if you like ground slots. I hate them. I don't know why. It's not with the rarity or something. I just don't like them. It's just something with me and them. I just can't. Oh, that's person again. I'm sorry. I don't want to offer. I want to offer for the royal egg. I don't know why, but why not? What can I offer? Cat. Well, oh, I have a pink cat. Yeah. Alright. A ginger cat? What just happened? It was a ginger. Yeah. No, I think I would be over. Never mind. I literally have no clue about these eggs. What are they actually worth? Ooh, I'm gonna say trading neon polar bear. Trading neon polar bear. Would anyone like to offer? Trade me, guys, if you have an offer. Oh, somebody just sent me a trade request. Oops. It's still ginger polar. Sorry, Kitsune. I'm gonna say ads. This one. Ads. Oh, I'm sorry, but no. A normal polar bear without no potion is actually worth more than a flare kitsune. I'm pretty sure of that. Guys, I got a bunch of new vehicles, as you can see. Here, like these. This random way. It's really fun to walk within. Yeah. Okay. Here I couldn't find any trades, so let's go look at the pet fair. I like to do that once in a while. Okay, let's go. Please don't glitch again. I heard that. Okay, they didn't. Yay. Orange glasses. Okay, and that's always here. Ivy necklace. I'm not really. I bought this, but I don't like it. I regret it now. I bought these two just because they look kind of funny. Never mind. Oh, I like it, but not a fan of collars that much. This one is really nice. It's cute. Do I have any green pets to match with it? Let me check. Ooh, my frog. I'm making a neon too. Okay, guys. So, yeah. No, I don't think so. I want to buy it, but I don't want to buy it because it's kind of expensive. I mean, yeah, it's very expensive. 750. Yeah, I'm not gonna buy it. Never mind. Let me get my free pin like that. Teleport to guest. Okay, so I changed. It's a very dry server, but that's okay. I mean, oh, somebody sent me a request. What will happen to me? I'm lazy at searching. I'm sorry. I didn't even want to see the offer. Guys, check out the new pet emotional thingies. See, my polar bear is just like following me. I'm gonna do that again. I think it's super cute. Let me try again. Oh, wait, what? I think you have to instantly run. Yeah, like that. Wait, what? Huh? And one more thing. Food. Let's look, guys. It's so cute. Has the little heart eyes and the little adorable eyes, like the glitter in them shine. Okay, let me feed it to him. I cannot. Her actually. I cannot resist her cute eyes. I'm lazy at doing tasks. I gotta admit that. Admit that. Oh, I cannot say it. I'm gonna say trading neon polar bear. Okay, nobody wants to offer. Well, I guess this was it for the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, smash the like button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Till then, bye.